When it comes to AI image generation, one of the biggest challenges is maintaining style and character consistency. If you like the mood of an image, or if you have your own character that you want the AI to generate in different situations, IP Adapter is your secret weapon. The IP in the name stands for Image Prompt. Traditional image generators like Stable Diffusion or Flux are fundamentally T2I, text-to-image models, meaning they are natively built to work only with text instructions. IP Adapter breaks through this exact limitation. It allows you to feed a reference image alongside or instead of text, which the AI can instantly understand and process. On the flip side, dedicated image edit models like Qwen Image Edit or Flux 2 Klein do not need an IP adapter at all. Those models are natively trained to accept and modify existing images out of the box. The whole point of IP Adapter is to grant traditional text-based T2I models this image-conditioned capability. The genius of IP Adapter lies in its ability to separate visual information. You can use it to extract the entire artistic style from a reference image, the colors, lighting, and textures, while using text to define the subject. But its most popular feature is character consistency. You upload a photo of a face, and your T2I model ensures that the exact same person appears in new generations under completely different clothing, backgrounds, or poses. When should you use an IP adapter? Whenever you are using a standard T2I model and want to build a digital comic, an AI influencer, or consistent characters. Or if you want to transfer the vibe of an existing photo into a brand new idea without custom model training or creating a LoRa. If you enjoyed this explanation, click the link, head over to the Digital Actors AI channel, and subscribe for the latest local AI tips and visual magic.